everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, and sorry for being MIA. So whatever, I'm back. So yeah, today the video is going to be about on this look, which is a black smoky eye. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm using this Vayam Ayurveda Pudina face mist. Next I'm going to use Nivea moisturizer to moisturize my face. Use primer, hot primer. I'm using Blue Heaven का primer है ये. And sorry for the background noise because then moving on to foundation, I'm using this Maybelline का foundation. Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 238 Rich Tan. So for concealer, I'm using this Darling Isabella concealer. I'm in the shade Natural Supreme 05. Next, I'm going to set my concealer by using the loose powder, Lakme loose powder. I'm dusting all of my face with powder too. So let's zoom in because I'm going to show you makeup. So I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal. So I'm going to take this brown color shade. I will do the other eye and I will be like that. So let's move on to eyebrows now. Missclaire eyebrow pencil. It's time for mascara. For mascara I'm using before we use. So I'm let's move on to blush. For blush from Vayam White. So let's move on to lips. For lipstick, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Ka. So for highlight, I'm going to use this rose gold shimmer shade. Add a ring to my eyes and feel so what I that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. So let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.